The math behind a $5,000 per month AI side hustle. Introduction. There is no shortage of people telling you that AI will make you rich overnight. But if you have been in the online income space for more than a week, you already know that the reality is different. No AI tool will hand you $5,000 per month while you sleep. But with the right strategy, realistic math, and consistent execution, that number is absolutely achievable, even if you are starting with zero audience and a small budget. In this post, I am going to break down the actual numbers behind a $5,000 per month AI side hustle. No hype. No passive income fairy tales. Just real math, real tools, and a roadmap you can follow. The 3 pillars of AI side hustle income. Based on my research and conversations with over 50 successful AI solopreneurs, sustainable online income usually falls into one of 3 categories. Pillar 1 is service-based. This means offering AI-powered services to clients such as freelancing and consulting. The typical monthly range is $2,000 to $8,000. Pillar 2 is product-based. This means selling digital products such as templates, prompts, and courses. The typical monthly range is $1,000 to $15,000. Pillar 3 is asset-based. This means monetizing content such as YouTube channels, blogs, newsletters, and affiliate marketing. The typical monthly range is $500 to $10,000. Most people hit $5,000 per month by combining 2 of these pillars. Let us look at the math for each. Pillar 1, service-based or AI freelancing. This is the fastest path to consistent income because you are trading time for money, but with AI, you can trade less time for more money. The math. The average rate is $50 to $100 per hour for AI-enabled services such as voiceovers, video editing, prompt engineering, and content writing. You work 15 to 20 billable hours per week. Monthly income is calculated as 15 hours times $75 average times 4 weeks, which equals $4,500. A real example. A freelancer on Upwork offering AI video editing with Descript can charge $75 to $100 per edited video. Completing 3 to 4 videos per week equals $1,200 to $1,600 per week. Tools to master include Descript for AI video and audio editing, 11 Labs for professional AI voiceovers, Canva for AI design for client assets, and Fiverr as an alternative platform to find clients. Time investment is 20 hours per week to generate $4,000 to $6,000 per month. This is scalable by raising rates or outsourcing to subcontractors. Pillar 2, product-based or digital products. This is where scalability kicks in. You create something once and sell it many times. The math. Product price ranges from $29 to $97 for items like AI prompts, templates, and many courses. Monthly sales needed to reach $5,000. At $47 per product, you need 107 sales per month. At $97 per product, you need 52 sales per month. Platform fees range from 10 to 30% depending on the platform. Real examples. AI prompt bundles sold on Gumroad or etc. Many creators sell prompt packs for $19 to $49 and make $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Notion templates with AI automation, such as an AI content calendar, regularly sell 200 to 500 units at $29 each. Tools to create and sell include Gumroad for simple digital product platform, Stan Store for an all-in-one creator storefront, Canva for designing product covers and marketing assets, and ChatGPT for generating product descriptions and sales copy. Time investment. Initial creation takes 20 to 40 hours to build a high-quality product. Ongoing work requires 5 to 10 hours per week for marketing and customer support. Pillar 3, asset-based or content monetization. This is the slowest to build but has the highest long-term upside. You create content, build an audience, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The math. YouTube AdSense pays $10 to $30 RPM, which is revenue per 1,000 views. 200,000 views per month equals $2,000 to $6,000. Affiliate marketing pays 5 to 15% commission on software tools. 500 sales per month at a $50 average product equals $1,250 to $3,750 at 10% commission. Sponsorships pay $500 to $5,000 per deal depending on audience size. A real example. A YouTube channel focused on AI tools for small business with 50,000 subscribers and 300,000 monthly views can easily generate $4,000 from AdSense, $2,000 from affiliate marketing for tools like Canva, Jasper, and Surfer SEO, and $2,000 to $3,000 from 1 to 2 sponsorships. The total is $8,000 to $10,000 per month. Tools to build include TubeBuddy for YouTube SEO and growth, Canva for thumbnails and video assets, Opus Clip to turn long videos into shorts or reels, and ConvertKit for email list audience building. Time investment. In months 1 through 6, you spend 10 to 15 hours per week building content with little to no income. In months 6 through 12, you spend 10 hours per week maintaining and monetizing. The realistic roadmap to $5,000 per month. Here is a 6 to 12 month roadmap combining all 3 pillars. In months 1 to 3, focus on service-based freelancing to build cash flow. Monthly income is $1,000 to $2,000. Time commitment is 15 to 20 hours per week. In months 4 to 6, add digital product creation using client insights. Monthly income is $2,000 to $3,500. Time commitment is 15 to 20 hours per week. In months 7 to 9, start content creation such as YouTube or a blog to attract an audience. Monthly income is $3,500 to $4,500. Time commitment is 15 to 20 hours per week. In months 10 to 12, scale all 3 pillars. Affiliate and sponsorships kick in. Monthly income is $5,000 to $7,000. Time commitment is 15 to 20 hours per week. Key insight. Notice the time commitment stays roughly the same. The difference is efficiency. As you build products and audience, your hourly rate increases dramatically. Hidden costs to factor in. Before you start, account for these expenses. AI tools such as ChatGPT, Canva, and Descript cost between $50 and $150 per month. Website and domain hosting costs between $10 and $30 per month. Email marketing with services like ConvertKit or BEIV costs between $20 and $50 per month. Advertising is optional and costs between $100 and $500 per month. The total estimated monthly cost is between $180 and $730. Start with free trials and upgrade only when you are generating consistent income. Frequently asked questions. Question: do I need to be a tech expert to do this? Answer: no. Most tools require zero coding. If you can use Canva and ChatGPT, you have 80% of the skills needed. Question: how long until I see real money? Answer: service-based income can start in 2 to 4 weeks. Product-based income usually takes 2 to 3 months to build momentum. Asset-based income from YouTube or a blog takes 6 to 12 months to reach significant income. Question: what is the biggest mistake beginners make? Answer: trying to do all 3 pillars at once. Start with one, master it, then layer on the next. Question: where do I find clients for service-based work? Answer: Upwork and Fiverr are good starting points. Also join niche Facebook groups and LinkedIn communities where your target clients hang out. Conclusion: $5,000 per month from an AI side hustle is not a lottery ticket. It is a math problem. Offer services to build cash flow fast. Create digital products to scale your time. Build content assets for long-term passive income. Choose one starting point. Invest 15 hours a week. Track your numbers. Adjust as you learn. The tools are available. The market is growing. The only missing piece is consistent action. For more, visit our website. Please subscribe, like, and share.